Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, issuing multiple permits in a single general permit application in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. TxPROS allows users to issue multiple permits within a single application. This feature is especially useful when transporting multiple loads from the same origin to the same destination within the same date range. It allows all loads to use the same approved route, even if the load sizes vary. There are two options for adding multiple permits to an application. The first option is to add another vehicle that will haul the same load description, dimensions, and weights. All details in the weight table, including axle spacings, axle weights, and tread widths, must be identical. To use this feature, click the Add Power Unit button located in the top left section of the Order Permits screen. This will create an additional vehicle entry row. You can either enter the vehicle information manually or select a unit from the vehicle inventory. The system will then issue two permits, one for unit number 11 and one for unit number 556, both transporting a dozer with the same dimensions along the same route. If unit number 556 is no longer needed, click the red X to the left of the entry to remove it. The second option is to add a different load, which may have a different description, dimensions, or weight. To begin, click Add New Load located in the bottom left portion of the screen. A dialog box will appear stating, "Press OK" to copy the dimensions and axle configurations from the previous load. If the new load shares the same specifications, click OK. If not, select Cancel, and a new vehicle and load information section will appear below the current one. Enter all required details for the new load. This application will now generate two permits, one for unit number 11 and one for unit number 556, each hauling different loads with different dimensions but using the same approved route. Since TxPROS routes based on the maximum combined dimensions of all loads, this application will be routed for 12 feet wide, 16 feet high, 90 feet long, and a gross vehicle weight of 94,000 pounds. Once all loads have been added, click Next to continue processing the application. This concludes the tutorial on issuing multiple permits in a single general permit application in TxPROS. For additional information and more tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov and enter the keyword TxPROS.